In today's video we'll take a look at 3 new ways of making money online in 2023. These are 3 new platforms that can help you make up to $10 every single day if you are interested. Ensure to stick with me until the end of this video, as I'll be taking you through these different platforms and explain to you what you can expect to do to earn $10 daily. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Name is Midwest Prime Company. I share information on how to make money online, and that's what you can expect to learn more of in this channel. Do consider joining our family by subscribing. Also give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Number 1. EarnWeb. Exciting is its multiple payout options, which make it accessible to people worldwide. You can earn money through PayPal, crypto vouchers, Amazon gift cards, Allegro, and more. EarnWeb prides itself as the best earning website, and many users have reported receiving payments. People can earn as much as $10 per day using this platform. Signing up and dashboard overview. Inside the dashboard, you'll find various paying offer walls and tasks to earn money. The platform offers earning opportunities through games, offers, cashbacks, questionnaires, and specials. EarnWeb also has a low cash-out threshold, allowing you to withdraw as soon as you reach $1, approximately 1.22 coins. You can cash out to your PayPal account or choose different gift cards and crypto options mentioned earlier. Number 2. Pagazani. The second platform we'll explore is Pagazani, which pays users for participating in paid surveys, cash offers, daily bonuses, and referring others to the platform. Pagazani is available worldwide and is a legitimate platform that pays users globally for various tasks. The sign-up process is simple. Click the Sign Up button on their website and fill in the required information. Dashboard overview. Once you've logged into your Pagazani account, you'll see your dashboard. The top section features survey offer walls, where you can take surveys and update your survey profile. You can also check your survey history and explore different offers. Pagazani provides a wide range of offer walls to participate in. Additionally, they offer survey routers, user tasks, contests, and a daily bonus for logging in. You can also earn money by promoting Pagazani as an affiliate, generating commissions through your referral link. Number 3. Studio Now. The last platform we'll discuss is Studio Now, which offers a unique opportunity for creatives to earn money. Studio Now hires photographers, videographers, producers, designers, animators, editors, writers, and production companies to create content for some of the biggest brands in the world. To join Studio, visit their website and click on Become a Creator on the right side. Signing up and profile creation. Fill out the application form to sign up, and upon confirmation, you can start creating your profile. Studio Now allows you to upload high-quality videos and photographs to showcase your skills and attract clients. One of the remarkable aspects of Studio Now is the ability to communicate with clients, set your rates, and negotiate your terms. While earning amounts may vary initially, Studio has the potential to help you make $10 or more per day. 2Captcha is a website that offers you the opportunity to earn money from the comfort of your home by solving captchas. If you're unfamiliar with captchas, they are those small pictures or puzzles you need to solve before logging into a website or submitting a form online. Captchas are commonly used to prevent spam on websites. The reason websites like 2Captcha pay people to solve these captchas is to ensure their effectiveness by using real human input. To get started, all you need is a cell phone or a computer. Simply visit 2captcha.com and click on the Work for Us section. From there, click on Start Earning Now. While 2Captcha may not offer the highest earning potential compared to other websites, it is an incredibly easy way to make some extra cash on the side. The best part is that it can be started for free, and you don't need any specific skills to begin. You can earn $10 per day. These 3 new platforms provide exciting opportunities to make money online in 2023. Whether you choose EarnWeb, Pagazani, or Studio Now, remember that the potential for earning can go beyond $10 per day. If you found this information valuable, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. For more similar opportunities, check out the recommended video on the screen. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel to join our community. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. I look forward to sharing more ways to make money online with you in future videos.